In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a flowchart in Notion using mermaid diagrams. It's a quick way to visualize workflows, processes, and decision trees directly inside your Notion pages. Let's get started. Open the Notion page where you want to add your flowchart. Type mermaid and select the mermaid block. Next, paste your mermaid diagram code into the block. If you don't have mermaid code, you can generate it with ChatGPT by describing the flowchart you want, such as a project workflow or approval process. Once you paste the code, Notion will automatically render it as a flowchart. If you need to make changes, simply edit the mermaid code and the diagram will update instantly. You can continue refining your flowchart by adding new steps, decision points, or connections. If you're unsure how to modify the code, describe the changes you want to ChatGPT and generate an updated version. Using Mermaid makes it easy to keep your flowcharts editable and directly embedded in your Notion workspace without relying on external diagram tools. That's how to create a flowchart in Notion. Thanks for watching.